Well, we're out here checking the trap line. Rough day. Calling for about 12 to 18 now. I'd say it's probably about 5 this morning. I got a notification one of the trail cams went off and got me a fisher in one of the traps. A little late, but we're gonna go release him. The season ends the 11th, and today's like the 25th or 26th or something. So I'm gonna show you guys how to release a fisher. That was much difficult than I thought it was going to be. Well, that was fun. That took the wind out of me. It's cold. It's 9 degrees and it's blowing snow like crazy. But we got him out of the trap. He was only in there like 3 hours, so that makes me happy. It's kind of sweet, kind of sucks. It's out of season and gotta let him go. Simple as that. Big believer with my hunting and fishing. Follow the rules. Follow the rules, that way you can keep doing it. You guys have a great day and stay safe out there if you're in this storm. It's a doozy. It's a pretty good one for a southern storm. Have a great day.